Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Nissan's 2004 to 2015 Titan. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities and follow all manufacturers' safety precautions and specifications. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift the truck and remove the rear wheel. If the repair is on the driver's side and you have a Titan box, you may remove that instead of the wheel. Unbolt and remove the bumper and hitch receiver. Step 3. Inspect the rear bed mount, spare tire crossmember, and leaf spring mount. If any of these need replacement or the frame rail beneath is compromised, cut them off. If these parts and the frame beneath are acceptable, remove the perforations for them on the frame section. If the bolts for the hitch receiver or bumper are rotted or rusted out, cut the bolts and welded nuts out. The forwardmost welded nut will need to be cut out regardless, as this frame section has a replacement built in. Step 4. Paint the inside of the kit with rust protectant prior to installation. Step 5. Once the paint is dry, slide the frame section in place and align it using the frame holes. C-clamp the part in place. No cuts need to be made on the main frame rail to install this kit. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the section in place, then weld all edges of the frame section. If the nuts and bolts holding the hitch receiver had to be cut out, weld the nut plates to the inside of the rail now. The nuts should be positioned towards the inside of the frame rail. If you did not remove the perforations in step 3 and remove the factory parts instead, install replacements now and fill in the perforation lines via welding. Step 6. Paint the remainder of the frame section and any new mounts and raw metal. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Step 7. Reinstall the hitch receiver. The included M12 hardware is for installation of it and requires a 19mm socket. Reinstall any lines or brackets moved in step 2. If the body or suspension had to be moved to replace a part in steps 3 and 5, reinstall them now. Reinstall the rear wheel or the Titan box and lower the truck.